distinguished delegates and members of SSA, good evening. In the next few minutes, I would like to take you through the quality journey what BPSL has gone through and with a small case study to give a taste of or a flavor of what Six Sigma has done to our organization. We wanted to use business excellence objectives as a strategic tool for sustained improvement, comprehensive and systematic review of the activities, provide a learning opportunity of strengths and opportunities for improvement, and get people involved in the various processes. In this context, the challenges and strategies have been the deregulation of oil sector, where we moved from administered pricing mechanism to a free pricing model. Market savvy customers. Today, if you go to a petrol pump, they don't talk of petrol. They say you want speed or power. They have a specific brand by itself. Changing product specs. We talk of Euro 3, Euro 4 and Euro 5. Entry of private players. We have Reliance, SR and other companies not only entering in the refining business but also in the marketing. As a case study, I bring you a very small project. This project does not talk of, unlike other projects, increasing the throughput, increasing the productivity, increasing the profit margins. We have taken up this project because we wanted to show such a simple issue. First of all, we could not recognize that is a problem. The moment the problem was recognized, we used Six Sigma tools to address this issue. This is the reduction in process time for gate entry operation for visitors. The background is visitors entering the refinery, which is a high security area. It is guarded by Central Industrial Security Force, which is a statutory body which have their own rules and regulations. We have a lot of bureaucratic hassles when a visitor enters the system, like they ask for so many things. We understood that there is some problem in the system where the visitors are not very comfortable. Using this process, we try to identify the issues. The problem is, we have a thing what is called a welcome slip or a gate pass. It is not ready when the visitor arrives. On an average, it is taking 50 minutes for the person to enter the premises. There are too many counters for the welcome slip. If he is carrying a mobile phone, he has to go to some other counter. If he is having a vehicle, he has to go to third counter and a laptop and other entry. The number of items increases, the number of counters are increasing. And finally, this repeated delay in the gate entry operation, it was leading to the customer dissatisfaction. It is a true fact that the customer or visitor is coming for his business. It is as well as our business to save his precious time. Loss of company image and business hours. As a goal, we thought we'll reduce the gate entry processing time, provide better experience to the visitors at the gate entry. We thought we'll use the word experience because we thought we'll bring the human factor and improve the company image. Root causes and solutions. As I said earlier, the problem has been visitors had to move back and forth to different windows. As a first step, we thought we'll have a single window operation where all the things can be tackled at the same place. Visitor has to wait till welcome slip is ready. Many times it happens that the person wants to enter the system, but he is not aware whether the welcome slip is ready or not. So we have modified the package where an SMS to the visitor goes to him saying that you have an appointment at so-and-so time and your welcome slip is ready. We had all types of visitors coming on the welcome slip. Then we had tried to segregate for the technocrats and other people. Just as a flavor of Six Sigma, the gate entry processing time when we had the data, it reduced from an average of 15 minutes to 4 minutes. To give you glimpses of solutions, one window was operational all the time. SMS to the visitor on the slip approval so that the visitor is comfortable. Appointment of a customer relations executive. This is where we brought in the human factor. We have a now customer relation desk where even if the visitor enters the system, he can talk to him and ask him where he is supposed to go. And application, the package in the slip format has been modified. As a phase 2, we are taking up infrastructural modification of the front end, where the gate and other things are there. And we are looking at a kiosk with a printer, where the person can take a photograph and a printout of the welcome slip and walking through the CSF, showing a bona fide card of his identity. It could be a passport or a driving license. The benefits have been, one is tangible, 15 minutes to 4 minutes. Number of process steps have come down drastically from 24 to 7, where we identified value added, non-value added, BVA. The visitor experience has been present. We have taken a feedback at a random from visitors and they have been quite happy with that. Company image is improved. Gate entry operation is now hassle-free, and employee morale, the people sitting at the front end, they feel they are doing a very important job. Earlier, they used to think they are just allowing the people inside. Before I thank, I want to bring out one thing. When we took up the project, there was apprehension that this is a project which doesn't deal much in numbers. Thanks to our management who said that this is one thing which is going to help all of us as a company image and the visitor. So if we took it up, we are very successful, and this package is now likely to be it has been implemented in the refinery and it is likely to be implemented across the organization. Thank you so much.